guys, it's Jackie, and I'm here to play with makeup. It's what I do. Love it. Love, love, love it. Today we created, is it a sign of multiple personalities saying we all the time when I'm the only one here? Something to ponder. I created this look using the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. Wanted to use a palette that I already have before my big haul comes in and I forget about all these palettes, because I will have a nice collection to be playing with. So yeah, don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. You know you want to. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're doing in this video. I hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. Okay, so before my orders come in, which should be today and tomorrow, I thought, why not play with a palette I haven't used in a while and do a nice little look with it. So we're going to use the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette today. We're gonna do a little looky with it before the other makeup comes, and I'm playing with that and forget about everything I have. Okay, so let's do that then. We are gonna start with Seduce Me. We're going to use that as a transition shade. So I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell that I got my lighting. Yay! I was so excited. Okay, so now we're going to go into the crease with, I'm showing my mirror. Oh my goodness. We're going to go into the crease with nudes, more than one nudes. We're going to go into the crease with that. I don't know what is going on. Why am I singing everything? So yeah, as I was saying about my lighting, I got new lighting. Got some soft boxes to help, you know, disperse the light so it wasn't all like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Anyways, I like it. I think it looks more natural, and yeah. So hopefully you guys like it as well. We're actually going to go into the crease again, just a little lower, like really into the crease with Peaches. Sorry if I just blinded you with my little light there. Okay, on the outer corner, I'm going to go in with Desire. Right there. It's a dark burgundy. I go back into Peaches and just kind of blend it into the outer color a little better. I'm going to use my finger first, and I'm going to go into Please Me. And I'm going to put that right next to where we put the Desire color. think I'm going to go into the outer corner with a little bit of this dark brown Charming to deepen it up a little bit, because that is a little darker than I thought it was going to be, and I don't want it darker than the outer corner because, well, that's just silly. On the lid, the inner lid, I'm going to use Tempting. That nice reddish, it's red. Take the blending brush, blend out these crazy edges. Brush. This little guy will work. We're going to take Charming, which was that dark brown, bring that under. That same brush, we're going to take that Desire and just on the outer corner. Now we're going to do some liner, E.L.F. liquid liner on the top. I'm going to try a different liner brush with the cream liner this time. I'm going to try this just liner brush, not angled. Well, this is angled, but the brush itself is not. Boom. Okay. I'm going to pop on lashes, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay, this is the final look. For foundation, I mixed CoverGirl True Blend Natural Ivory with the Classic Ivory. For my brows, pomade, No Name, Five Below's where I got it. So contour, I used the Milani Sunlight Silky Matte bronzer. I use that to contour. Used butter bronzer in bronzer to bronze. Used my Milani Coral Cove blush. And I mixed the Illuminating Cream by City Color with the IBY Pink Pearl for highlight, and for setting spray I used Prime and Fine. Oh, and concealer I used the E.L.F. And lipstick I filled in my lips with the Bear to Comment Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. Went over it with LA Colors lip color in the shade Petal. And that's it! So, this is what we got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. And feel free to go and like my Facebook page. Yeah, believe that's it. So tune in for some good haul for a huge haul that will be coming very soon, because my packages are supposed to be coming very soon. So stay tuned, stay on the lookout for that. And yeah, I hope you tune in for future videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.